Prepare to be DNA mazed, folks, as we venture into the genetic wonderland where your past meets your present, all in the name of science and surprises. Welcome to the realm of genetic exploration, a place where your ancestors' tales are unraveled and long-lost relatives are waiting to connect the dots of your lineage. We've got yDNA detectives on the case, mitochondrial sleuths ready to unveil maternal mysteries, and the chromosome matchmakers who've got both sides of your family covered. And as if that weren't enough, the molecular maestros are here, playing a tune of genes and risk that might just leave you in awe. Before we embark on this captivating journey through your very own blueprint, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel Only Facts, and join the community of curious minds delving into the world of facts. Your DNA adventure starts now. DNAAU tests come in different kinds, based on what we want to find out and where the DNA comes from. Some common types include yDNA testing. This checks the Y chromosome, which dads pass on to their sons. It helps trace back family history through fathers and find relatives who share a common male ancestor. mtDNA testing. This examines mitochondrial DNA, which moms pass to their children. It's used to trace family history through mothers and find relatives who share a common female ancestor. Autosomal DNA testing. This looks at 22 pairs of chromosomes, not the ones that decide gender. It's used to find relatives from both sides of the family and guess where your ancestors might have come from. Molecular tests. These look for changes in genes that might cause health problems. They help predict the risk of certain diseases or conditions. Advantages of yDNA testing. Paternal lineage tracing. yDNA testing is particularly useful for tracing the direct paternal lineage in a family tree. It follows the Y chromosome passed from fathers to sons, allowing you to explore your paternal ancestry. Surname validation. yDNA testing can help validate or disprove the connection between individuals with the same surname, providing evidence for common paternal ancestry. yDNA testing can provide insights into ancient migrations and the origins of specific paternal lineages, going back hundreds or even thousands of years. Haplogroup identification. yDNA testing allows you to determine your haplogroup, which indicates a shared ancestral lineage. This can provide information about the ancient origins of your paternal lines through relative finding. yDNA testing can connect you with potential relatives who share the same yDNA markers, helping you discover previously unknown paternal relatives. yDNA testing focuses exclusively on the paternal lineage. It doesn't provide information about your maternal ancestry or other aspects of your genetic heritage. yDNA testing can only trace one specific lineage, your father's father's father, and so on. It doesn't capture the complexity of your entire family history. The Y chromosome mutates at a slow rate, which can make it challenging to differentiate between more recent relatives. This limitation can be particularly relevant when trying to find close relatives. yDNA testing doesn't provide information about females in your family tree, including your mother, grandmother, and sisters. yDNA testing is only applicable to males, as females don't inherit a Y chromosome. This excludes a significant portion of the population from using this testing method. yDNA testing can be relatively expensive compared to other types of DNA tests. Additionally, interpreting yDNA results might require a certain level of genetic knowledge. Like all genetic testing, yDNA testing involves sharing your genetic information with a company. This raises privacy considerations about how your data will be used and stored. While yDNA testing offers insights into one specific lineage, it doesn't provide a holistic view of your family history, including your maternal side and autosomal relatives. yDNA testing doesn't offer health-related information, unlike some other genetic tests that focus on potential health risks or carrier status for genetic conditions. Understanding why DNA results might require a deeper understanding of genetics and genealogy. Misinterpretation can lead to misunderstandings about your ancestry. It's important to consider these advantages and disadvantages before deciding to undergo DNA testing. Make sure the type of information you're seeking aligns with testing can provide. Imagine taking a journey through time, exploring the hidden stories of your family's past. With mtDNA testing, you can embark on a unique adventure that unravels the mysteries of your maternal lineage. Let's delve into the advantages and disadvantages of this remarkable genetic exploration. In this quest, you'll be tracing the footsteps of your mothers, grandmothers, and generations beyond. mtDNA testing shines a spotlight on your direct maternal ancestry, illuminating the path that has been passed down from mother to child. This fascinating journey doesn't stop there. It offers a connection to ancient migrations and the origins of your maternal lineage, stretching back hundreds or even thousands of years. As you navigate through the pages of history, you'll encounter a term known as haplogroup. mtDNA testing reveals your unique haplogroup, an ancestral group that carries its own story across time. This discovery not only unveils your maternal roots, but also places you within a broader context of human migration and evolution. Additionally, the magic of mtDNA testing extends to the possibility of connecting with distant relatives who share the same maternal heritage. Imagine discovering family connections you never knew existed, as the strands of your DNA intertwine with those of others, revealing a shared journey through the ages. However, as with any adventure, there are considerations to keep in mind. While mtDNA testing provides a captivating look into your maternal ancestry, it only offers a partial view of your family's history. This lens exclusively captures your mother's side, leaving your father's lineage and other branches of your family tree in the shadows. Moreover, this journey primarily explores ancient paths, unveiling the distant origins of your maternal lineage. It might not provide the same vivid insights into recent family history or the stories that have shaped your more immediate relatives. While mtDNA testing is a treasure trove of ancestral tales, it doesn't unveil the pages of your health story. Unlike some genetic tests that delve into potential health risks, mtDNA testing focuses solely on your maternal history. Considering this unique adventure comes with a cost, it's essential to weigh its benefits against your interests and priorities. The narrative woven by mtDNA testing can sometimes be complex, requiring a bit of genetic and genealogical knowledge to fully understand. And just as you would contemplate setting off on any journey, privacy is a concern. Sharing your genetic data with a testing company requires careful consideration of how your information will be used and stored. Lastly, while mtDNA testing offers a wealth of insight, it's important to note that this journey is tailored exclusively to those who inherit their maternal lineage. Males who do not inherit mitochondrial DNA might find other genetic tests more fitting for their exploration. Well, there you have it, folks. After diving into the incredible world of DNA testing and uncovering the nuances of Y-DNA, mtDNA, and all those snazzy haplogroups, you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed. Who knew that our family trees could be so complicated, right? If you're still up for more genetics-related adventures, don't forget to give that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And who knows, maybe we'll tackle the mysteries of mitochondrial inheritance in our next episode. Until then, happy genetic pondering, everyone.